practice, a tradition done by Congress and the MTC. This has been done many times with the CBCP, I believe with SMART, Globe, if I'm not mistaken. Lahat naman sila, nag-lapse na yung kanilang franchise habang may naka-file pang bill sa Kongreso. Kaya, in-extend ng MTC or MTC was silent about it. Hindi naman sila pinatigil ng operation. But because this has reached a level of discussion, there are certain controversies involved here. I think that it would be prudent for us, particularly Congress, to put in writing exactly the request to extend the validity of the provisional license to operate while their franchise is still pending in Congress. It's been done before. So I'd like to know, if this will not be granted in this case, what the reasons will be. Why grant it to other franchises when their franchises haven't been, when the franchises haven't been approved, they were given a provisional permit to operate? Why not do the same in this case? Please spell out the reasons if it will not be granted.